So guys, how to download Lenovo ThinkPad E camera driver. So open any browser to type Google, okay, and go to first link to new tab. You can see this is your motherboard. Sorry, this is your laptop. So this is two type to install: first automatic and second manual. So this is scan, so detect required driver. Okay, so automatically install, and this is manual. You have a separate like driver of camera. You just click to download. Scroll down and you can see this camera driver and firmware. Okay, integrated camera firmware. So download only integrated camera driver. Download, and it will downloaded. Just single click to run. Then click to downloaded file. Then click to yes. After that, okay, next, I accept, next, install, next, install. Then next. You can see this is camera use and like that already install it. Okay, camera driver, real tech camera, and then click to finish.